Man in blue, from navy blue to sky blue.
Man in blue is back and says, there is a statement that ज्ञान बांटने से ज्ञान बढ़ता है. मतलब इफ यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट तो ज्ञान बढ़ता है. वो कहते हैं दान दो तो आपका वो बढ़ेगा, वेल्थ बढ़ेगी. ऐसे ही कहते हैं ज्ञान बांटोगे तो बढ़ेगा. बट इसका मतलब क्या है? क्या ये बात समझ में आती है? तो आप इसको समझना चाहते हो तो इट इज वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट जस्ट सी दी कम्युनिटीज अराउंड. Look at the communities in the across the globe at each city or maybe a place of living of some area, any area you pick up. Wherever you will find people who are giving you suggestions without asking. People talking about, debating, discussing in temples. And people in the home, at home people, families discussing. Always you will find that family who is discussing among themselves something or the other. Not necessarily the education, not necessarily anything. I mean, not a specific topic. Any topic they pick, they talk about it. You know why females, if you look at the activity of the females, they are always together. Together in the sense they have, we call female as library. She is a library full of gyan, but the only difference is that she is not able to maybe comprehend well, maybe because that education itself is missing. Mental wealth, if I put it in right words, then mental wealth, the amount of mental wealth, the net worth of mental wealth females has is unlimited. I mean, too much compared to any other person in the family. The mother has maximum net worth of mental wealth. So, is it that mental wealth, the female has so much of mental wealth and that is why male is trying to push them to go for women empowerment and this and that to keep them engaged, so that they are not able to understand that what is their mental worth, net worth. They are not able to assess what is mental net worth. Mental wealth they carry is much more compared to the mental net worth carried by a male. Why male needs a marriage and why he goes to other females even if he has a wife. Mind it, the mental net worth of almost all female is same, unlimited. The only difference is that how much each one has built up. Built up means how much she is able to awake, how much she is able to keep awakened. What was her mental wealth, seed capital? All these factors are missing. That is why female is not able to fetch what she deserves. And unfortunately, because the seeds, mental wealth seed capital is not known, so other seed capitals are not known. There are 5 seeds each human being has. So, and the most important is mental wealth seed capital. Most important seed in the body, in the living human is mental wealth seed capital. That is the net worth one is born with, the seed capital one is born with. In fact, I wouldn't say born with, I would say conceived. This mental wealth seed capital one conceives with. Because when the conceivement takes place, we do not know the gender. And we don't need to know. Why should we know gender? Reason is that it harms you a lot, especially female. Why? If a gender is not known, then she will deliver all kind of knowledge to the fetus in womb. All kind of worldly knowledge they will talk. The male and female both will talk, husband, wife, and the people around, they will talk every kind of social activity. And that learning is amazing. We are missing that learning completely because of medical instruments responsible for telling gender. It's a people call it crime, but I would say you are actually infecting the mental seed capital of the person. You are infecting the seed capital of the infant. Then don't crib that my son born with some defects. My daughter had some mental disabilities. Her efficiency or his efficiency is poor. I am not able to train him or her. मैं सिखाती कुछ हूं, वो सीखता कुछ है. मदर इज सपोज टू बी दी फर्स्ट गुरु. तो ये सब चीजें समझनी बहुत जरूरी है और तभी इनका फायदा होगा कि हम लोग, बच्चा जब पेट में आता है तो सीड कैपिटल उसकी साथ में होती है. जेंडर इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, सीड कैपिटल कल्टिवेशन इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम ऑल डायरेक्शंस. If you know the gender, then you will start reducing the information fed. And that is the time when a child in the womb can learn maximum. Maximum, I said. So please, do not bother about gender. Female is full. Her mental wealth net worth is maximum on planet Earth. I am talking about exactly planet Earth, not beyond that. So try to understand and use the cultivation procedure of mental wealth का seed capital.